Hi everyone. Today I'm just sharing how to do some birthday plans, and this is how I did birthday plans for my son Ritwa's first birthday. I have noted all the important things in a paper so that we will not miss anything. First important thing is theme and color so that we can buy other things based on the color. I didn't select theme but I have selected color. Blue and white is my color, and based on that color I have bought all the other things. Second important thing is as usual birthday dress. Third is cake. Fourth one is hall decoration. It includes many things, decoration items. I have noted the decoration items in a separate thing. Fifth is welcome drink and snacks, photo printing, video collage, dinner arrangements, and final return gifts. And last important thing is we have to invite our friends and family. These are the 10 important things I have noted. This may vary to your. Here I just giving you an idea, and this is how I started the plan with by writing it in a note. And based on these things I have bought the other stuffs, and I'm going to share what I have bought. And these are some decoration items I have bought for Ritwa's birthday. And first is the blue color chart paper, kind of the thick paper. Since I have selected blue and white color theme, I have bought all the items in that color. And it is a pom-pom. After the decoration I will show you that blue and white color. And next thing is return gift bag. It has 10 bags in it. And birthday cones. And the next one is tape, cello tape, double tape I guess. It's a double tape. Next balloons, some blue and white balloons, air pump for balloons. Yes, I have bought 50 balloons I think. Scissor. Next is also balloon. Next some decoration stuff. And it is also balloons. I don't know how much balloons I have bought. It is that happy birthday hanging, that one. It is the birthday candle. I like it very much actually. It was very cute. And the next thing is also balloons. That's it. I guess next is the tape. And these are the items I have bought for it. And I will show you some decoration I have started with. This one is the welcome board. I am using a cardboard, and I have placed the paper, white and blue paper around it, and I have cut Ritwa's photo, and I'm going to stick it in the center. And I have stars and number 1. I have used glitters for the decoration, and I'm going to stick it on it, and I'm going to use it as a welcome board. And I have done some few stars and some decoration things. It is going on and on. Few flowers, stars, and after decoration I will show how I have decorated. And I have started with the rangoli, the entrance, and I have placed a plate and a few flowers in it, same white and blue combo. And the next thing is I have decorated some things using photos. It is a simple wall hanging using a cardboard. I have sticked 4 photos at the 4 sides, and I have hanged it on the wall. The next thing is I have taken 12 pics of Ritwa from month 1 to month 12. I have hanged it in a thread, and I have stabbed it to the thread. These are the 12 pics of Ritwa You can also use this clips instead of stapler. It also looks good. And next is the welcome board. This was the complete finish. It's a simple thing. I have used some pearls around it to decorate, and I have used the flower at the top. And yes, that's all, a simple decoration. And I have hanged balloons and with the photos. I have stabbed it in the hall, and that's all for the decoration, and used the pom-poms at the happy birthday, behind the happy birthday. And I have used the stars too. And yes, the birthday was over. It was on 23rd December last year, and I have posted it in the my Tamil channel already. You can see the link in the description box. If you like this video, do hit like and subscribe to my channel. And this is Aarti. We'll meet you all in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye.